Hello everyone, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and I wanted to share with you the package I got from Fat Quarter Shop for the Hoffman Batik Fat Quarter Club. I wanted to unbox it and show you everything that you get in case you've looked at this and you've wondered what it was like. I love being in a batik Fat Quarter Club and getting batiks every month. The variety is huge. The color variety is huge. And it's great to have all these fat quarters around, and you can even, if you don't use them right away, you can accumulate them for future projects. I do a lot of art quilts, and it's just nice to have a variety of batiks around so that when you're ready to work, you have a lot of colors to choose from for whatever project you're working on. But also, as you're opening it, you can look at the colors and just start to get ideas of how you can use them. So the Hoffman Batik Fat Quarter Club comes with 12 fat quarters in it. And you can see that they send you this card that tells you what all the fat quarters are so that you can reorder more if you like a certain color. So it comes folded like this, and you can see that it's laid out so you can see every color without unfolding it. But let's unfold it and see what they all look like. So they've started with a green colorway with a light and a dark, and then the green and the red are the same pattern, different colors. Then we've got orange. I think they were going, since it's November, for a little bit of a fall look with the oranges, the cranberries, and the green, which I like. I love all that color. And then you've got two of the same patterns here in the orange and the cranberry. So the Hoffman Batik Fat Quarter Club at Fat Quarter Shop has a 99-cent membership fee, and then it's $34 a month, and these are shipped out every month to you. I think that's a great deal for 12 fat quarters. So if you're ever wondering what it looked like to be in this club and see what the fat quarters look like, this is what November looks like. So I put a link in my description. If you find this interesting, you can click it and you'll go straight to the Fat Quarter Shop and to this Fat Quarter Club, and you can take a look at it and see what you think. So I also am in the Fat Quarter bundle for solids, and they told me that it was going to be delayed, but that shipment for the solids came in with my Hoffman Batik Fat Quarter bundle too. So that's what's up next. I'll show you how those came through. And those fat quarters are also a 99-cent per membership fee, but that's $25 a month, and you get 12 of them. And since it's November, they gave you a lot of fall colors. And they also give you a sheet telling you which colors are which, so that if you need to reorder, you can do that also. But just like it's nice to have the Fat Quarter bundles, or the batik bundles, it's nice to have some solids too. Get those to accumulate or use them as they come in. But you can see that it's a nice fall color palette that they sent me. So again, the link is in the description. If you're interested and you want to check out what these look like online, you can click that link. So another club that I'm in is in the Sallie Tomato Cork Club. And you get 3 pieces of cork and a pattern sent to you every month for $35. And I personally think that's a great price for cork, because cork is very expensive. So they send you a little pattern where they show you how they use the fabrics, and I usually use cork for purses and bags that I make. And this cork right here is one I've never gotten before, where it's a cork that's cut out in a pattern and then it's laid onto canvas. And that is really pretty. So this is what they'll usually do, is they'll usually send you 2 patterns and a solid each month. And then again, they'll send a pattern for a little free pattern, that doesn't take much time to put together and show how they utilize that cork. So another fun fabric that came in at the same time as my others is this Hippie Fabric that I ordered off of Etsy. I'm making a bag out of this as a Christmas present. So I'll put the link to the Etsy shop also in the description down below, and thank you for watching this unboxing video.